Hello, am I audible to all of you? Mm-hmm. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Acha, today we will do the NOT gate from NAND gate. It's a very simple one. So just I'm going to share my screen. This is the circuit. Okay. So NOT gate from NAND gate. If you want to construct a NOT gate from NAND gate, you need to do this type of arrangement. So it's a very simple one. What do you have to do? Just a second, huh? Your one senior is calling. Just a second. Sorry for the interruption. Your one senior has called me regarding your freshers. Okay, just a second. Um, so what do you have to do? First, you need to collect all the component. So, just a second. Again, he is calling. हाँ बोलो बोलो. हाँ ठीक है. वहाँ पे जाकर बैठो और बाकी लोगों को भी बुला लो. हाँ आएंगे. तुम ग्रुप पे लिख दो कि आना कंपलसरी है और तो मैम ने लिख भी दिया है. तुम लिख दो, ठीक है. मैं लैब पे ही हूँ. कुछ प्रॉब्लम होंगे तो मैं जा रही हूँ. 46 पे ही. तुम उधर बैठो. हाँ तुम 47 में बैठो. हम लोग 46 पे हैं. कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो बोलो. ठीक है. नहीं ছেলেটা খুব ভালো. অনুভব করছি. আচ্ছা চলো let's start. Acha, so what you have to do? You need to first collect all the component. First, you need to connect the components. Means you need to have the NAND gate. Okay. Acha, first of all, my mistake. Collect the breadboard. Collect quad NAND gate IC. Okay. Collect power supply. Collect register. LED. Okay, let's take this switch. It is just at the side. So what you have to do? Very simple one. Just connect this positive side indicated line to this positive side indicated portion of the breadboard. So this is the red one. This is the black one. আচ্ছা জাস্ট আ সেকেন্ড স্যার ওই আইটি গ্রুপটা না ক্লাবের মধ্যে যদি ফার্স্ট ইয়ারে ঢোকানো যায় আপনি একটু ওদেরকে বাকি থার্ড ফিফথকে আমি ঢুকিয়ে দেবো ফার্স্ট ইয়ারের সাথে আমার কোনো মানে নেট কানেকশন নেই আমি গ্রুপের ফর্ম তৈরি করে দেবো আপনি ওটা সাবমিট করে দেবেন কারণ ওটার মধ্যে দিতে হবে যেটা চেয়েছে কালকে ওই ফার্স্ট ইয়ার যদি আইটি ক্লাবে ঢুকতে পারে, ফার্স্ট ইয়ার তো এমনিতেও ঢুকবে আইটি ক্লাবে, তো এখন যদি ঢুকতে পারে তো আপনি দিয়ে দেবেন। তো next of all is the black color line. Next is that 74SC00, you need to connect it here. Next of all, go back to this portion. Up to this portion we done. We need to have the input portion. For that input portion, what you have to do, you need to have the switch, correct? So this is a switch. You need to connect it anywhere, wherever you want. So terminal 1 need to be connected to the ground, correct? I have told you. So two option left, either you have to connect it from here to here, or you need to connect this two line to upper portion and lower portion. Let's take the second option, it would be better for the clear circuit making. Okay, so this is a factor, correct? Correct. So this is a terminal 1, let's connect it to this pin. This is the terminal 2, you need to connect it to the upper side for making it more clear. Okay. Acha, next of is power pin need to be connected to here. Let's connect it here. And this is the ground pin. Let's connect it. Okay. Next is what? You need to have this pin. Means what? It's a very easy one. You need to short any two input of the NAND gate and connect it to the input pin. Like this. Input 1A, 1B. Let's short it. Change the color. Acha, let's connect it to something else. Okay. Acha, common pin needs to be connected to here. Acha, next is the output pin. This is the cathode. Okay, this is the output one. You need to connect it to the resistance. Okay. Did you understand? This is a by default off state. When it is on the on state, it is now means the switch is on the on state, light is off. The vice versa condition. Did you understand? This is the whole things we have constructed here. So if you, I would like to suggest you to do it by yourself. It's a very simple one. It will take less than 10 minutes to do. Just take the screenshot of this and start making by yourself. Okay? Do it.